Okay, this is episode 95, I believe, of our $1 million trading challenge. So we have currently 97,000 in our account, and we started on $10,000 just over 5 months ago. Everything is fully documented, so all of my YouTube videos, you can scan through them all. You can see the P&L growth over the last 5 months. And what I'd like to do is check our P&L analysis at the start, just to show you guys that I'm authentic, everything is real, no demo accounts, no cherry picking of trades, because everyone on Twitter and YouTube is lying and not actually trading, they're just paper trading or only showing you the wins. So this is the account in the last 180 days. We're up $85,000. This is our cumulative P&L. And you can see our strategy works pretty well. I think our sharp is probably around 3 to 4. Maybe a bit lower, but I think it's around 3-ish. And this is our daily P&Ls. And you can see in the last week we made 6K, last month we made 14K, and today we're down $800. So that's the first thing I like to do, just to get this to be transparent here. I'm currently everything as well as publicly posted on my Twitter and my Telegram, so you can see all of the logs from the exchanges. Everything is official. We hit 100K a few weeks ago, and then we dropped back down, and now we're back at 97K. Okay, so that's currently the intro, let's say. We currently have 78 positions, so we had a lot of positions, and it's hard for me to update everything on YouTube. So for those of you who are in the Telegram group, the Telegram live trade alerts bot has been keeping updated of every single trade we've taken. So you can see we've increased long on OG, and when we go on the coin, you can see that was our last trade, so we increased our size there. There we go. You can see we added the trade there as well, and we do this for all of them. So I don't have time to probably go through all of these coins, but you can see we closed an IMX long. We've entered a few longs. We added more on OG, and we added a long. We opened a long on me as well. So you can see we opened this long on me. So we can just go through these on here, but this is more to show you guys if you want access to all this live alerts on the YouTube description section or in the comment section. I pinned the comment section for each video. Make an account on MEXC or Bybit, trade on there, and then send me a DM on Telegram or Twitter, and I'll give you access. I'll invite you to this group. And I'm currently migrating everything to Discord as well, if you read my pin messages. So that will be also live in the next few days, and there will be paid options and free options as well, with various perks. So yeah, currently we've entered, so let's do most recent order first. So OG, we entered a long recently and we added to it. So I'm going to continue holding that. We have IMX that I closed, I believe. Yeah, I closed long on IMX, so that was a small loss, $250. We have a sweat long. Let's have a look. Yeah, we're currently a little bit underwater, but we have a sweat long as well. Let's see, what's the size of the long? 3,000. I might reduce it actually. Yeah, I'll probably reduce it by half. Okay, there we go. And we have a, me long as well, which we talked about already. So this is our me long, pretty much break even. We also entered, and this is all in the last few hours. We already have an OG long, so we have a sun. We closed the short on sun. Let's have a look. Yeah, so I closed the short on this. So this is all on the 22nd. And yeah, that's it. And then yesterday I opened a bunch of shorts. And longs as well. You can see the list is pretty long. You can see all these shorts opened on the 20th, which was 2 days ago. So this is after my last upload. So it's hard for me to keep everything updated. But the easiest thing to do is just get the live alerts. You can see everything on Telegram, copy trade me, and the account, is this is the actual account that in 180 days did a 10x. You can see on the cumulative P&L. Right, so that's that. Let's have a look at the market. Let's look at BTC. Yeah, so BTC is pulling back. Definitely pulling back. I mean, trend-wise, we're still good. Still in an uptrend. This is the area you want to be bidding, in my opinion, on BTC. The bad news is the market is kind of shitting the bed. So everything is dumping pretty hard. Let's look. So ETH fell to levels which are pretty interesting, right? This MA and then this swing low below the liquidity range. So that's, I would say this is a good spot to be buying ETH. Yeah, definitely a good spot to be buying ETH. AVAX, yeah, like I said in the previous video, literally in the previous video, AVAX super strong, and it just bounced back the hardest. You can see from the wick, it's already bounced 12%, where Solana has done nothing. So it's kind of annoying. I actually bought Solana instead of AVAX. AVAX is clearly the market leader. So look at AVAX and Sol. Yeah, and you can see that at least in the last, what is it? In the last 2 weeks, AVAX is just much stronger. Anyway, yeah, that's Bitcoin. The market is pretty weak, which is a bit of a pain, but it's really not a big move. It's just a lot of these altcoins are shitting the bed, really. Okay, Nvidia still holding it, and it's looking really good from our buys from these two levels. We're up almost 10%. SPX, again, all-time highs, and then gold, I'm still holding on to it, as I've been saying in the last few weeks, to be buying all of these dips and just keep on holding on to it. So that's that. Let's have a look. I think, yeah, the other coin is MNT. That's just super strong. And I think that's just fundamentally there's some sort of correlation there with Bybit or Binance Exchange. I haven't looked into the FA, but it has been one of the leaders. So if I had to put a list of coins which are super strong, would be MNT, Hyperliquid, and AVAX in the last few days at least, or probably in the last few weeks. Right, now let's go and look at the top volume coins. So ETH still leading the volume. Had a lot of liquidations here. So actually probably a good level to be accumulating it. AVNT, I have no idea why it's got so much volume, but the trend is really good actually. So might be worth putting it on my strong list. I'm gonna have to remove Sol and link Doge WLD pump. I want to add AVAX to the list. This is the strong list that I'm interested in. ENA, I actually don't really like it anymore. It is strong, but I'm gonna remove it. This is a good level to be buying ENA. We've got the liquidity grab below, but it's just a beta to Ethereum. Right, AVNT. Aster, I have no idea what's going on with this coin. I guess it's a coin to a perp DEX. I heard that there's a ton of fake volume going on, but we don't really care. It's just ranging. Okay, WLFI. Yeah, it did a little bit of a pump, but I'm staying away from this. AVAX, we know. Pump BTC. What is going on there? Okay, let's have a look. Okay, that's just pump fun. Yeah, guys, I don't know what to tell you with this. What? 2x in less than 30 minutes, and then we dumped down to, how many percent is that? 90%. I have no idea what's going on there. Okay, OG is, yeah, OG is definitely looking strong, so I'll add that to the list. Although the price action makes no sense, but I will add it to the strong list. Okay, and I think that's probably it. Yeah, Merle is good. IP is, something is weird going on with IP. I'll add probably Merle and IP as well to our strong list. Okay, Merle. These are the coins that have good volume and are just moving really hard. Yeah, I don't know, how's IP doing so well? Okay, so I think that's it. So I think that's it. So to wrap up, BTC probably at levels you want to be bidding, right? Ethereum as well. These are the strong coins you want to be buying dips on. MNT, AVAX, Hyperliquid, AVNT, OG, Merle, and IP. I'm going to continue trading on this account. So we're at $97,000 now. Back up again from our drawdown. If you guys are interested in following the trades, you know what to do. Follow the description section of the videos or the pinned comment section from me. And in the next few days, I will be changing things up. So instead of a Telegram channel, I'm going to have a Discord group with multiple roles and revamping things a little bit. And also to those of you who are asking, yes, I will be opening an education section with my strategies and live chats, video streams, all of that stuff, building more of a community feel. I started on Telegram just thinking it's a bit more casual and easy, but I think actually Discord is a lot more hands-on and serious. So that's it. If you guys have anything you want me to look at, leave a comment below the video. Or if you want me to change something like the audio, the thumbnails, titles, if you have any suggestions, or even just content that you guys want to see, I try to be super transparent. I don't think there's anyone who actually shows all of this P&L out there like me, especially for the same account, and especially doing a public 10x on the account. So yeah, if there is someone, I'd love to know, so please send me their channel or their Twitter. And otherwise, yeah, I'll see you in the next upload, and tomorrow let's see if we can get to 100k. Cool, peace.